Okay, I'm now going to integrate the problem, which once again is upper minus lower. If you have it just like this and it's a calculator problem, put it in exactly the way you get it. Include all of these parentheses that you see here to get yourself the answer. I'm going to work this out by hand, so I'm going to simplify it down a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is distribute that minus sign. So it's going to be negative 1 to 4 of x plus 2 minus x squared plus 2x plus 2 dx. What did I do? I distributed that minus sign to every term inside the parentheses. So that is now equal to, I can simplify that a little bit, the integral from negative 1 to 4. Let's look for like terms. The order doesn't matter, so I'm going to start my x squares. I got a negative x squared. That's that. I've got 2x plus x, so that's plus 3x. I've got a 2 and a 2, so that's plus 4 dx. When there's no parentheses written there, they're implied. I'll write them there for one more step. I'm now ready to integrate the problem. So I'm going to begin by integrating. It's going to be negative x to the third over 3, or negative 1x to the third over 3, plus 3x squared over 2, plus 4x between the intervals of negative 1 and 4. So now those numbers are going to go into my equation. So it's going to be equal to negative 64 over 3 plus plus 58 over 2 plus 4, putting all that in parentheses, minus, close parentheses, negative 1 cubed, negative, which is 1/3, plus 3 over 2, sorry, minus 4. I can combine these in any way I want to. I think it's probably easier to distribute the minus sign first. So we get negative 64 over 3 plus 58 over 2 plus 4 over 1 minus 1/3 minus 3 over 2 plus 4, which will simplify down to negative 65 over 3 plus 55 over 2 plus 8 over 1, and this is as far as we'd gotten yesterday with the problem. We need to get common denominators. Almost always our common denominator is going to be 6 when we work on these. So multiply the top and bottom of here by 2. So 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. So that's going to be equal to negative 130 over 6. Multiply these by 3. And we've got 55 times 3, which is 150, 165, plus 165 over 6, plus, multiply both these by 6, 48 over 6. Which gives us a final answer of 83 over 6.